Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start second class of set, and this class we have to discuss types of set. So let's begin. We have total 7 types of set. First is empty set, second one is singleton set, third one is finite, then infinite set, universal set, equivalent set and equal set. So first empty set. What is empty set? An empty set, a set which does not contain any element called empty set. For example, collection of integers whose square is less than 0. Collection of integers whose square is less than 0. So we know that every integer have the square is greater than 0. So this is a empty set because no one element lie within the set. Empty set is denoted by this and 5. This is a Greek alphabet. Now singleton set. Singleton set, a set which contain only one element called singleton set. For example, collection of even prime number. Even prime number. We all know that we have only 2 which possess the property of even prime number. 2 is even and prime also. So that means a set collection of even prime number is contain only one element. But one point should be noted. Set 5 is also singleton set, where 5 denotes the empty set. Okay. Now come to the finite set. Finite set has either no element or has either finite number of element. Now the infinite set, according to the name of the set, infinite. So set which contain infinite number of elements called infinite set. For example, all natural numbers. Collection of all natural number is the example of infinite set, or point which lie in the line are the collection of infinite set. Now universal set. Universal set, a set is called universal set if every set is lie within the set which are under discussion called universal set. For example, suppose we have a 3 sets A, B, C. A is the set X such that X is a woman of India. Now X such that X is a man of India. Next element X such that X is a woman of world. Okay. So for these 3 universal set is X such that X is a human being and earth. So we can notice that every set A, B, C is belongs to the universal set. Universal set is denoted by U and capital X also. Now come to the cardinal number. As we already discussed, what are the cardinal numbers? So total number in a set are known as cardinal numbers. Suppose we have a set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. So there is total 5 numbers. Cardinal number is denoted by an A equals to 5. It is also known as order of the set. Now come to the equivalent set. Two sets are equivalent if their cardinal number are same. Suppose A is a set A, E, I, O, U and B is a set A, B, C, D and E. Both contain 5 cardinal number. NA equals to 5 and B is also equal to 5. So NA equals to and B. This implies that A equals to B also. So the equivalent set are those sets which have the same cardinal number. Now come to the equal set. Equal set, if we have the two sets A and B, A contain every element of B set and B contain every element of A set, then both sets are known as equal set. Suppose we have a set A 1, 2, 3 and another set B 1, 2, 2, 3. So every element of set A is equal to the element of set B and every element of B is equal to the element of set A. So that means set A and B are equal set. Suppose we have a two set A is 1 to 4 and similarly B is 4 to 1. Then every elements are equal in both the cases. So A and B are equal set. If the cardinal number are same, then two sets are known as equivalent set. But if the elements are same, then the set are called equal set. Okay. So empty set is also known as null set and void set. Okay. 2 points should be noted. First is for case of singleton set. Singleton set is defined by phi also, but where phi is empty set. Okay. It contains one element phi. And empty set is also known as null set and void set.